Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So in today's video, we are going to solve a very important string problem that is frequently asked in PCS, Infosys, Accenture and so many interviews. So the problem is print the duplicate characters in a string. So if you are preparing for placement coding interviews or competitive programming, so this video is going to be extremely useful for you. So make sure to watch till the end because we cover problem explanation, logic, and time complexity and how to code it and interview tips also. Don't forget to subscribe if you want daily coding content. So let's first understand the problem clearly. So you're given a string and print all duplicate characters along with their frequency. So if duplicate characters are those that appear more than once in the string. So, which means our task is to find and print all the characters that appear more than once. And these characters are called duplicate characters. For example, we have an input as a programming. So, in a programming, we have a three duplicate letters, which means three duplicate characters. One is R. R repeat two times and G also repeat two times and M also repeat two times. And other than other characters are unique, right? So we have to remove that and we have to print only the characters which is repeated again. So that words only we have to print here. So we only print characters whose frequency is greater than 1. So you know why this question is important? Because this problem does the string traversal and character handling and frequency counting and logical thinking also. And interviewers love this question because it's check whether you know how string work internally and how to optimize using array or maps. So mastering these questions help you crack multiple variations of string problems. So watch the video till the end. So here is the approach. At first take a input as a string and use a frequency array or map to count the characters and traverse the frequency data and print characters whose count is greater than 1. So at first we have to create a frequency array. So the array size 256. So why 256 means because there are 256 ASCII characters and each index represents a character and the value store how many times it appears. So that's why we are using a 256. And in a step 2 and traverse the string character by character. So for each character find its ASCII value, increase the count at the index. So in a step 3 traverse the frequency array. So if any character count is greater than 1, print the character and its frequency. So simple logic. So let's see the algorithm here. So at first initialize the array of size 256. I have already tell right. So and after that traverse the string and increment count of each character and traverse the array which is a map array. And if count is greater than 1, print the character and its count. So print duplicate. So the class is created and after that our main class. So public static void main. So inside our scanner. So now we get a input from the user as a string. So string is equal to sc dot next. So you know about the next and next line. So next is for to get the input as a string. Next line is for to get the input as a sentence. So and let's create a array. So in a array we are storing a frequency equal to new in inside we are giving 256. So I have already told about the 256. So in a for loop, I equal to 0 and I greater than a string dot length, and after that increment the I value. So here we are going to increment the frequency. So now freq array s dot character at I. So we are just going to increment the value of the each and every character which came into a for loop. So another for loop, let's take. So in that we are initializing I equal to 0 and I less than 256. So our total character is 256. So let's traverse up to the. So then I plus plus. So inside the if condition, we are checking the if frequency is less than 1 or not. So free of 5 less than 1. So if it's less than 1, we are going to print it. So SOPLN inside care of 5 plus, let's give arrow mark as like a previous problem. So plus and freak of 5. So we have printed. So let's run this. So let's give a value. Let's give a programming. So in this, G appear two times and M appear two times and R also appear two times. So P appears only one time and O also appear one time. So we have only three characters that appear more than one time. So let's see our result. So yeah, G appear two times and M appear two times and R appear two times. So we have got a value. So and for this time and space complexity. So our time complexity is big of n because you are traversing the string for only one time, not more than one time. So we are visiting a character only one time. So and space complexity. So that is big of 1. So frequency array size is fixed. So that's why big of 1. So this is optimal and interview approach. So common interview questions that interviewer will ask us, is it case sensitive or can we use hash map instead? What if no duplicate exit? So like this they may ask. So understand the problem clearly so that you can answer these questions. And always explain logic before code and mention time complexity and practice variations. First repeating characters, remove duplicate characters, and count vowels and consonants. These are high frequency interview problems. So this is for today video. If you understand how to print duplicate characters in a string, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for daily coding problems, placement preparation, and many interview tips also. So see you in next video. Happy coding.